Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to video. So here we are. Now let's focus on this settings bar. From the left we have the slow motion, so just one tap to get access to it, and here we can also change the speed of our slow motion. We can pick between 1 and 4 or 1 and 8. So let me stay for example on 1 and 4 and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and now we can play our slow motion video by using this button at the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.